Hi, I am Dr. Root, an ICE 50 avatar, and will present this interesting research publication. Cyclic loading fatigue affects fracture toughness of CAD/CAM restorative materials. Objectives: to compare the effect of cyclic loading fatigue on fracture toughness, K1C, of contemporary dental restorative CAD/CAM materials. Methods: 5 commercially available CAD/CAM restorative materials were included in this study: Lava Ultimate Restorative, 3M ESPE, IPS Empress CAD, Ivoclar Vivadent, Enamic, Vita, IPS E.Max CAD, Ivoclar Vivadent, and Cerasmart, GC Dental. Polished rectangular bars 4x2 by 14 mm, and equals 30, were prepared from mill blocks for each material. A single notch, 0.5 to 1 mm in depth, 0.5 mm width, was made at the center of the non-loading, tensile, edge. 10 specimens per group for each material were randomly selected for 1. Static mode, 2. 100K cyclic loads, and 3. 200K cyclic loads. Fatigue was performed on the specimens in 3-point bending mode at a peak load of 40 N and a frequency of 1 Hz in a pneumatic-driven cyclic loading machine. The surviving bars after the fatigue treatment were subjected to a 3-point flexural test in a universal testing machine, Instron 5566A. K1C values were determined using single-edge pre-crack beams, SEPB, method. Results were analyzed via ANOVA with Tukey's HSD test or least square regression model using JMP Pro 12.0. Results: Figure 1 shows mean fracture toughness, K1C, of the material tested in static mode, 100K cycles, and 200K cycles of fatigue. The Cerasmart and Lava Ultimate groups exhibited higher K1C values after cyclic loading. Empress was not affected by fatigue. The E.Max CAD showed higher values and higher variance after 100K cycles and significantly lower K1C values after 200K loading. Enamic exhibited no significant difference after fatigue compared to the static group. Conclusions: ceramics and composite CAM/CAM materials showed different trends of K1C after cyclic loading fatigue. Division: IADR/AADR/CADR General Session. Meeting: 2017 IADR/AADR/CADR General Session, San Francisco, California. Nathanson, Dan, et al., former Harvard, Henry M. Goldman School of Dental Medicine, Boston University, Boston, Massachusetts, United States. Dr. Tom Khalili, ICE 50 founder, states, "I am honored to have the opportunity in working with Dr. Nathanson as a scholar, professor, and a friend. I am also pleased to be able to share this great study with you from Dr. Dan Nathanson, who is a legend in science and literature."